SBI PO interview, something like that. It is.
Okay. Are you seeing the post being made therein?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing the posts that are being made therein? कभी कभी उसमें पोस्ट करते हैं, उसको आप देख रहे हैं?
Yes. हाँ सर.
ठीक है जी. आपने आपका डिग्री क्या बताया आपने?
Sir, MSc Mathematics.
Pardon, BSc?
MSc Mathematics and BSc Computer Science.
अच्छा, ये क्यों जी? Why after BSc Computer Science, why did you go to MSc Mathematics? Something interesting. But normally BSc, MSc Max पढ़ने वाला भी MSc Mathematics में they will find it difficult. Were you able to complete MSc Mathematics? What is the mark you scored?
Sir, I scored 80% and first rank in university.
Oh,
in merit.
excellent. But जरूर आपको ये क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, out of the MSc Mathematics subjects, which one you like very much?
Sir, advanced abstract algebra.
Advanced?
Abstract algebra.
उसका बारे में थोड़ा बोलिए. What is it? Briefly बताइए हमको. I don't know anything. फिर भी बताओ.
Sir, advanced abstract algebra is broad division of mathematics. It is occasionally called modern algebra, and it is a study of algebraic structures, groups, rings, fields, etc.
Good. Which year did you complete MSc?
Sir, I completed MSc in 2019.
2019. उसके बाद में कई जगह पर आपने काम किया है?
नहीं सर, उसके बाद नहीं किया कहीं.
अच्छा, you are only trying for bank jobs and insurance jobs, correct?
Yes.
Very good, very good. So what do you know about banks?
So bank is a financial institution which accepts deposits, gives interest on deposits, and accepts loans and give interest on loans.
Gives interest on this thing. Good.
Loan.
Very good. Now, why do you want to come to banking service?
Sir, banking service is the most important part in the development of a country, and I want to become the part of the development and growth. So I prefer banking.
Acha. What is your father?
And my father is in Department of Revenue. He is on the post of Patwari.
And what is your mother?
Sir, my mother is homemaker.
Homemaker. How many siblings do you have?
Sir, I have 3 sisters, 2 elder and 1 younger.
अच्छा, बड़ा वाला क्या करते हैं?
The elder sisters both are married. The top elder sister is working in a company in Hyderabad. And the younger one, she is interested in teaching. Currently now, he is on a gap, but he will resume teaching next year.
Excellent. आपका छोटा भाई?
Younger sister है, and she is pursuing BCA.
Oh, good. Bachelor of Computer Applications. Very good, very good. Yes. Is this the first bank interview you are attending, or you have attended earlier? I mean,
it is my first interview.
No, this is your first interview. Very good. It's going to be in Bhopal or which place?
Sir, Bhopal.
Bhopal. Which date?
26 Feb, panel 2, 8:30 a.m.
Arey bhai. Good. 26th February. 26th February. Yes, correct. What is good of 26th January?
Yes, sir.
What is important of 26th January?
26th January is our important day related to Republic Day. Means it is a Republic Day on
Good.
which
Very good. Republic Day. Republic Day बोलिए बस. Republic Day बोलने से हो जाएगा. Good. Very good. मध्य प्रदेश का चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन है?
Sir, शिवराज सिंह चौहान.
Who is the governor of Madhya Pradesh?
Sir, Mangubai Chhaganbhai Patel.
Very good. When is the next assembly election due in Madhya Pradesh?
Sir, I am not in touch.
Is it 2024 or 2025?
Maybe in 2024.
Very good, very good, very good. Why should we select you as an officer of the bank?
Sir, I have the quality of honesty, truthfulness, and tactfulness, and I have people-friendly nature so that I can deal with customers in the bank. So I am able to perform good in banking.
अच्छा, you said you have tactfulness. Tactfulness का मतलब क्या है?
To stick to the point.
अच्छा, आप हिंदी लेना चाहते हैं और अंग्रेजी लेना चाहते हैं फॉर इंटरव्यू? Please close the door.
I am comfortable with both, any language.
You are comfortable with any language? Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Which bank do you have an account?
Sir, presently I have account in Madhya Gramin Bank only. Earlier during studies I had in SBI, but I didn't maintain it properly.
Have you closed that account or it is still operate? It is still in existence.
But it is closed. It is closed.
Closed कर दिया. अच्छा, an account is considered inoperative if it is not operated for how many years?
Sir, whole 1 year.
No, 2 years. If an account is not operated for 12 months, 24 months, then it is considered as inoperative. And if it is not operated for 10 years, it is considered as a dormant account. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, you are a girl. Will your family permit you to go outside Madhya Pradesh?
Yes, sir, we will permit.
No problem?
No problem, sir, because before preparing for this field, I cleared everything regarding this job. So they have no problem. Currently, I am working in Damoh, which is approximately 350 kilometers away from my hometown, Hoshangabad. And they are in full support so that I can carry my job anywhere.
So, where are you working now?
I'm working in RRB, Madhya Gramin Bank, and posted since 15 January 2022.
Oh,
first
class. ये तो हम सुना नहीं, अभी सुन रहा हूँ. Good. You are with RRB, Madhya Gramin Bank. Excellent. I should have asked you when you told you have an account with Gramin Bank. Why are you having there? Because you have joined that one. Good. Congrats. आपका नौकरी का डिटेल्स बताइए हमको.
सर 15 जनवरी को मैंने ज्वाइन किया था. उसके बाद 15 डेज मुझे आरओ में प्लेस किया गया. मतलब इन एचओ दे अपॉइंटेड मी एज एलसीपीसी इन आरओ. I worked there for 15 days, but the department was unaware about the LCPC system. We were working there in advanced department, but later on in the meeting, it came to know that we are appointed for CKYC scanning process. Then they sent us to one of the branch for CKYC scanning.
Achha, 1 minute. What is LCPC system?
Sir, LCPC is a liability center processing.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Good. What is the other system?
The quality.
What is the other system? Yes, what is the other one you said? You were sent to which system?
Sir, for CKYC scanning process.
Oh, what is that? KYC, I know.
Sir, yes, sir.
What you were processing? What?
Sir, it is CKYC means the accounts which are opened in offline mode. Central government wants that they should also be registered with data which should be uploaded on a site. So they started this process through Sarsai portal. And they want that the documents which are attached of customer details such as PAN card, Aadhaar card or photograph, they should be uploaded to the site. Oh,
so that means if anybody, with PAN number and Aadhaar card number, government can know where are all we are having accounts, correct?
Yes, yes, sir. All the linkages can be
Ka-
means no anti-money laundering can be accessed further.
कहीं जी जहां पर आपको अकाउंट होने से भी गवर्नमेंट को पता हो जाएगा.
हाँ,
सही है. गुड गुड गुड. आपने सुना है EKYC, उसका मतलब क्या है जी?
सर EKYC डिपेंड करता है कस्टमर के आधार ऑथेंटिकेशन नंबर पर.
गुड.
ये ऑथेंटिकेशन आधार नंबर से होता है.
वेरी गुड. अभी क्या काम करते हैं आपका अभी ब्रांच में?
सर अभी मेरा ये काम है CKYC डॉक्यूमेंट्स स्कैन करना और उन्हें अपलोड करना है, बिकॉज हमें टारगेट मिला है RBI नाबार्ड से, सॉरी RBI से, कि आपको 30 to 40% डेटा जो पेंडिंग है अकाउंट्स का उसे अपलोड करना है. तो दिस इज प्रोसेस इज मींस इन स्पीड.
बिफोर विच डेट?
बिफोर 31st March 2022.
अच्छा. आपका रूटीन डे वर्क कितना बजे शुरू होगा, कितना बजे खत्म होगा?
सर इट इज 10 to 5 PM.
अच्छा.
10 AM to 5 PM. Yes.
10 AM to 5 PM. अच्छा. ऑफिसर लोग कितना बजे तक बैठेगा?
Sir, up to 6 PM.
They will sit up to 6 PM. अच्छा अच्छा. Very good. आपको क्लर्क होने से तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं. You can come by 5:15, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Have you your confirmation is not over yet, correct?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
No.
Because in RO I was working from 10 AM to 7 PM, so no timing issue is there.
अच्छा अच्छा. Very good. अच्छा ये बताइए, how much is the national pension scheme? NPS में आप लोग contribute करते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
How much you are supposed to remit? How many
Sir,
percentage?
Percentage.
आपको टोटल बेसिक पे कितना है? हेलो.
Total basic.
ना आपका बेसिक पे कितना है?
Sir, it is nearly 27,000.
Basic pay. अच्छा.
Yes.
And that means you'll be paying 10% of it, roughly 2,700 towards NPS. कितना अमाउंट रिकवर करते हैं?
Sir, I am not aware about
ओ
it
अच्छा
because
अच्छा.
I haven't.
आपने अभी ज्वाइन किया ना, और 1 साल हो गया ना क्या?
हाँ.
अब तो कंफर्मेशन भी हो गया होगा ना?
हाँ sir.
Very good, very good. Now, what is the difference between RRBs and other public sector banks?
RRBs and
But
RRBs are operated in rural or semi-urban areas, and public sector banks are operated everywhere in country or outside the country.
अच्छा जी, आपको ये पूरा पता नहीं होगा. आपका RRB का काम भी पूरा पता नहीं होगा क्योंकि आप तो ब्रांच में काम नहीं किया अभी तक. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is a problem. Doesn't matter. Leave it. Now, can you tell me what are the differences between savings bank and current account?
The current account में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं लगता है, एंड सेविंग्स अकाउंट में पहली मतलब कम इंटरेस्ट लगता है, और करंट अकाउंट फ्लेक्सिबल होता है. वी कैन मतलब मनी कभी भी निकाल सकते हैं हम, और सेविंग्स अकाउंट में कुछ लिमिटेशंस इंपोज होती हैं.
ये सब आपको पता होने से बढ़िया होगा. आपका ग्रामीण बैंक में कितना परसेंटेज देता है एसबी इंटरेस्ट? 3% ना, वॉट एवर इट इज, उसको जानने से अच्छा होगा. आपका ग्रामीण बैंक का नाम बताओ. मध्य. पढ़न.
जी सर.
What is the name of the bank?
सर मध्यांचल ग्रामीण बैंक.
अच्छा. आपका क्या थ्रोट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
यस.
पहले अभी हुआ है और परमानेंटली ऐसा है?
Sir, what are you asking? I am unable to understand.
नो, हमने ये पूछा है आपको ये थ्रोट का प्रॉब्लम अभी-अभी हुआ है और परमानेंटली ऐसा होता है?
No sir, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
नो,
throat में।
वॉइस चेंज होता है ना कभी-कभी,
Yes sir, it
डिफरेंट होता है, कोई बात नहीं। आई एम देयर इन योर वेबसाइट मध्यांचल ग्रामीण बैंक एंड नाउ I want to see login Padar Colony language English our vision दिया है डिटेल्स डिपॉजिट्स किधर आएगा? ये तो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है। ये वेबसाइट में कुछ देखता नहीं है। अच्छा इसको क्लिक करना है। हाँ, बाबा कुछ भी दिखाता नहीं है। कुछ भी दिखाता नहीं है। कितना अकाउंट है, क्या है, वो कुछ भी दिखता नहीं। कोई बात नहीं, छोड़ दो। So savings bank current account, okay. Next one, what is the difference between fixed deposit, recurring deposit?
sir, fixed deposit a customer can मतलब एक बार में जो मनी वो एक बार में सबमिट कर सकते हैं, एक बार में उस मतलब suppose 1 lakh rupees I am submitting, then I will get interest monthly on it. But recurring deposit में monthly वही amount deposit करना पड़ता है।
अभी फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट में we are supposed to get quarterly interest, not monthly interest. मंथली इंटरेस्ट चाहिए तो 2 महीना वेट करना, उसका बाद में महीना-महीना इंटरेस्ट लेना। समझे? Yeah, very good. Who is the chairman of your Grameen Bank?
Sir, Mr. Abdinesh Kumar Saxena, sir.
Which bank has sponsored your Grameen Bank?
State Bank of India.
How many branches are there in that bank?
Sir, near to 400.
Good. What is the total deposit of your Grameen Bank?
Sir, I'm not in, means I have tried to fetch details, but I will try to fetch now.
Yeah. What are the total deposits? What are the total advances?
Yes, because I came to home, so I was unable, because on this site it was not, nothing was available.
Nothing
so
is,
I tried to
yeah,
contact.
कुछ भी दिखाता नहीं है उसमें. Yeah, maybe they are framing it now only. अभी बनाता है होगा मेरा ख्याल से. कुछ देखता नहीं है और there is some problem in the site. अच्छा, आपको when was it started this bank?
Sir, this was started like what?
You don't know.
Sir.
पूछ लीजिए, ये सब क्वेश्चन आपको चाहिए. आपको मैनेजर से पूछो, वो बताएगा. आपका ऊपर में काम करता है ना, उनको पूछने से हो जाए. इसका अलावा व्हाट इज द एनपीए ऑफ योर बैंक? टोटल एडवांसेस कितना है, एनपीए कितना है, इसका बारे में आपको जानना जरूरी है. ओके, गुड, वेरी गुड. व्हाई हैव यू नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड एनीथिंग? आपने कुछ भी पढ़ा नहीं है, क्यों? समय नहीं है.
But I get confused.
क्या आपको समय नहीं ना? क्या रोज ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है, इसी वजह से आपको प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, आपने पढ़ा नहीं है. आप बैंकिंग के बारे में पढ़ना है, करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में पढ़ना है, पढ़ के जाना है. आप तो मैथ्स बोलते हैं, मैथ्स में भी थोड़ा-थोड़ा क्वेश्चन आएगा. अच्छा, हू इज द फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ आवर कंट्री?
Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, ma'am.
Who is the home minister?
Amit Shah.
Mr. Amit Shah.
Yes, Mr. Amit Shah.
Yeah. What are the wildlife sanctuaries in Madhya Pradesh?
The Bori Wildlife Sanctuary is there in near to my city only, and Kana National Park.
So, is there any national institutions in Madhya Pradesh? For example, wildlife sanctuaries बोलने से, what are wildlife sanctuaries? Top 10 wildlife sanctuaries. No, I'm sorry, I want to ask in Madhya Pradesh, correct? They will ask mainly about Madhya Pradesh only. They will not ask about others. Kana National Park, Pana National Park, Pench National Park, Bandwagar National Park, Satpura Tiger Reserve, Pachmardi Marble, something like that. ये सब थोड़ा पढ़ के जाओ.
Yes, sir.
भोपाल का गैस ट्रेजेडी कब हुआ?
Sir, in 1984, 2nd December 1984.
Good. What was the reason for that gas tragedy?
The leakage of gas was the reason. Methyl
Release of methyl
isocyanate gas was leak of methyl isocyanate gas was the reason.
From which company?
The Union Carbide India Limited company was a
Very,
pesticide plant in Bhopal.
very good, very good. Acha, correct bola. Good, good. Was anybody known to you affected in your family? Was there anybody living in Bhopal at that time? Nobody known to you?
No, sir.
Nobody. That's right. That's good. It's in a way it is good. That's right. Why should we select you as an officer of IBPS?
Sir, I have the quality of honesty and truthfulness. I have that maturity that I can handle and deal with customers with people friendly nature.
Good. आप थोड़ा prepare करके जाइएगा. Which date is your interview?
26 Feb.
Very good. Best wishes. Please attend the interview and send me the list of questions.
Yes.
Yeah. आपको what are the problems you are experiencing in answering me? I think, do you find the questions were tough or questions were things which you are not prepared? What was the problem? Communication में उतना flow नहीं है.
Yes, sir. I have not tried to speak them. I just means I had read everything. Whatever you have asked, I have read. But the problem is in communicating.
Very good. हो सकता है हिंदी में बात करने से अच्छा आएगा ना क्या?
Yes, sir. Then I will try to speak up in Hindi only.
अच्छा. आपका साथ में जो काम करने वाला है, जिनमें से जिसको पास आपको बहुत पसंद है, क्या क्वालिटी ऑफ हिम do you like, him or her?
Means whoever is working with me. Sir, I have an head in regional office. And he is stick to time. Means he is dedicated, fully dedicated, and is stick to time to complete his work on time and meet the requirements of the bank. And he is so dedicated, and he inspires me to work dedicatedly.
Excellent. Best wishes. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Yeah, that was one candidate. Let me check up whether any other candidate is pending here that I have given. 6261. Yeah, that was what was over. Now anybody else is yeah, I'm trying for a candidate. If the candidate comes online, we can talk. I'm not sure who is this candidate. Hello. Yeah. You're speaking from which place? Kolkata. Please speak loudly. ना आवाज आता नहीं है. आप थोड़ा बाहर boldly बोलो. You are from West Bengal. Which date is your interview? 28th February. अच्छा, आप एक काम करो ना, आपके पास व्हाट्सएप कॉल है, आप मेरे को बुला सकते हैं? ये थोड़ा आवाज ठीक से आता नहीं है. या प्लीज कॉल. अच्छा अच्छा इंटरनेट होना चाहिए, उसमें से बुलाओ. नॉर्मल कॉल में नहीं आएगा. आई एम इन कनाडा नाउ. या अभी हमको कॉल करो. Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Now it is slightly better. Good. So what your interview is on which date?
Sir, it is on 20th February.
You are from which state? West Bengal.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now what is your base degree qualification?
Sir, I have qualified under commerce stream. I have done BCom.
Very good. So which year did you pass out commerce?
Sir, I passed out in 2019.
2019. Very good. See, the deposits in the bank or the liabilities or assets for the bank.
What are the deposits?
No.
The deposits are actually the liabilities of a bank because we have to repay the deposits we have received from the customers.
What is the position of loans to the customers?
The loans are the assets for the bank because we have given the loan to the customer and the customer will repay the loan to us.
Very good. Then what is the details about other fixed assets? What are they?
Other fixed assets, bank also have other fixed assets like building, machinery, office supplies, and also they have to make deposits from deposits to RBI. That deposit which they keep with RBI are also under the asset side of the bank.
What capital will appear in which side of balance sheet?
So capital appears on the liability side of the balance sheet.
Why it is appearing on the liability side of the balance sheet?
So because for capital, the banks have received the capital from their shareholders. So it is a liability for the bank because they have to repay that capital to their shareholders after they have winded up.
Very good. Now, what are intangible assets?
And intangible assets are those which we cannot touch. Like it may be the reputation of a bank or a goodwill of a bank.
Good. Very good. Very good. अभी क्या बिक्री करता है सुबह सुबह? Which place are you living?
Actually, I am in Kolkata, the capital of the West Bengal. I live only in Kolkata.
बिक्री करके जाता है बाहर में कुछ. अभी कुछ साइकिल में जाके क्या बिक्री करता है सुबह में?
No, sir. Actually, वो कोई मतलब बिक्री नहीं करता. It's like a garbage van.
अच्छा.
The morning the garbage van comes and they ring the bell so that we can put their garbage there.
Very good. Very good.
It is from municipal corporation.
That means Calcutta has improved.
Yes, sir. It has improved very much. The infrastructure are also very nice.
Very good. Very good. Best luck. Best of luck. Very nice. How is COVID crisis in Kolkata?
Sir, initially though during January and February it was a very peak because of the New Year celebration and the Christmas party here. So, but now it is not very high, but it's normal range. Many restrictions are being relaxed, and schools have also been opened here. Schools and colleges, then offices are also working at 50% capacity.
Very good, very good. Acha hua. Good, 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 good. Excellent. Now, which bank do you have an account?
Sir, I have my account in Union Bank.
Good. Union Bank का headquarters किधर है?
The headquarters of Union Bank is in Mumbai.
Can you tell me the name of two banks that were merged with Union Bank?
The Union Bank was merged with Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank.
Very good. Now, can you tell me the names of two core banking solution systems? Core banking systems.
Core banking solution
prepared
is the
by
basic activity of the bank.
Yeah. Finacle is written by which IT company?
So sorry, actually I didn't hear you.
Finacle core banking solution software. It is written by which IT company? Answer: Infosys.
Actually, I don't know.
Yeah,
I have no idea
that is why I'm telling you. TCS written banks BANCS software core banking solution. ठीक है?
अच्छा, ओके सर.
अच्छा, आपका डेबिट कार्ड है, डेबिट कार्ड में कितना डिजिट्स नंबर है?
डेबिट कार्ड में कितना डिजिट्स नंबर है? But I think it's 12.
No, 16. Credit card, debit card में 16 होगा. What are the details available on the face of the debit card?
It is the details that are available. That is the 16-digit numbers, as you told, and also the name of the bank is also printed on the debit card. And sir, also that which platform they use, like RuPay or Visa or Mastercard, which they use, are also printed on the face of that debit card.
There is one 3-digit number on the reverse of the card. What is it?
Yes, sir. It is called CVV. That is card verification value. Actually, that is an extra security feature which bank give us when when we make payment online, we have to also put the CVV on various sites. It acts as an extra security for us.
Very good. What are scheduled commercial banks?
The scheduled commercial bank are those banks which are registered under the second schedule of the RBI Act 1934. For being a scheduled commercial bank, we have to complete two basic needs. That is, we have to have at least minimum paid up equity capital of ₹5 lakh, and we should also work in the interest of the customers or the interest of the public.
Have you heard of the term marginal standing facility? What is the present rate?
Sorry, can you please repeat?
Marginal standing facility.
Acha, marginal standing facility. Yes, a marginal standing facility is one of the facility which the Reserve Bank of India provide us to the banks. Under this, we can take loans from the RBI for an overnight basis or for a short period. The RBI usually generally charge high rate of interest against this.
What is the rate now?
The Msf rate is 4%.
4.25.
Sorry, 4.25.
It is valid.
Bank rate is actually 4%.
It is valid for a duration of 14 days.
For 14 days.
Bank rate also
not for overnight basis.
Oh, overnight to 14 days.
Overnight to 14 days. Okay.
Yeah, bank rate is nowadays also 4.25. 0.25. Yeah.
Achha.
Have you heard of the term banking ombudsman?
Yes, sir. Banking ombudsman is actually a scheme of an RBI. Under this, whenever a customer have any grievances against the bank and it has not been solved by the bank within 30 days, then we as customers can file a complaint to the banking ombudsman. It can be in the letter format, or we can also provide the complaint through the email. Nowadays, the banking ombudsman has been a centralized location. It is in Chandigarh.
No, a separate ombudsman.
But sir, in recent news, so RBI told now that all the banking ombudsman will be combined, and we have to give only in one. Matlab, there will be only one centralized location that will be in Chandigarh.
Acha, maybe I think they have included some changes, like they want to have one including NBFC also.
So they have included NBFC under banking ombudsman, but in banks, I think I have read that they have done a centralized location in Chandigarh.
Very good. Check up kar lijiye. You be, if you are certain, very happy.
Yes, sir, I will do it.
Very good. Can you tell me what is the expansion of ECGC?
ECGC is actually an emergency credit line guarantee scheme. Actually, this was introduced by the RBI during the COVID-19 crisis. Actually, it was happening that that everything was put under the lockdown. So we as customers were not able to repay our loan back, as there was all the businesses were shut down. So the RBI introduced an emergency credit line guarantee scheme under which the loan which we are already having with the bank, they were restructured, and the time period for them were also increased. And if we also want another loan against them, they were also provided by the banks.
Acha. Now, today's latest news, maybe you are not aware of that. How many crores of rupees central government is going to give to public sector banks in the month of March 2022?
By the way of capital infusion.
Yeah. Good question. Good answer. Yeah. अभी आया है, आज का कागज में आया है. Answer is 15,000 crores. 15. 15. I will read about it. 15.
Acha, 15,000 crore.
Why government is infusing capital?
So government is actually infusing capital to actually restructure the balance sheet, because if the NPAs are increasing very much and the bank are not able to do their daily businesses, so the capital infusion is required by the government from time to time to the bank.
What is asset liability management?
So asset liability management is actually the process by which the banks manages the rate of interest. When a bank sees that what type of customers are coming to them for demanding their loans and for what duration, and for which duration they are asking for loans, the banks increase the rate of deposits for that duration, so that the customers are attracted towards their bank for depositing for that duration. So the bank can easily then give loan to that customers who were requiring the loan for that time period.
Super.
This process is called asset liability management.
Super. You have been telling very nicely. You have been telling me very nicely. I am impressed. I'm impressed by the way you are answering the questions. Good. Badhiya. Very happy.
Thank you, sir.
Very happy. Yeah. Now I'll ask few questions. What is PCA?
So what is
PCA?
So sorry, it actually
PCA.
PCA. Okay. So PCA actually stands for prompt corrective action. It is done by RBI. Actually, the RBI has put in some triggers points, like in relation to capital adequacy ratio or NPA. Whenever some of these points are triggered, then the RBI put PCA actions on the banks. Under the if the PCA actions are put on the banks may have many restrictions on them, like they may not be able to open any new branches, or they may not be able to conduct any fresh recruitments. Such extraordinary actions are taken by the RBI on the bank during this time.
Acha, are you working in any bank now?
No, sir.
इतना अच्छा बात बोलते हैं, पड़ापट. Can you tell me where is the headquarters of UCO Bank?
Sir, UCO Bank headquarters, actually, sir, I am not very sure.
It is in Kolkata.
So it is in Kolkata only. So,
can you expand NACH?
NACH, okay, sir. Actually, NACF stands for National Automated Clearing House. It is actually a facility given by the NPCI, that is National Payment Council of India.
National Payment Corporation of India.
National Payments Corporation of India. Under this facility, if whenever we go to the bank, we can give them instruction that our monthly electricity bill or water bill or gas bill, whenever it raises, should be automatically deducted from our bank account. This facility, which is provided by banks to us, is called actually NASH.
And the last question for you. Good. UPI stands for what?
Actually stand for Unified Payment Interface. It has gained very much momentum in India. It is used widely in India, and even in recent news we have seen that Nepal becomes the first country in the world to actually that will accept our UPI and do transactions through UPI, which is developed by India.
Super. Badhiya. I will give you 9 out of 10 for this interview.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Badhiya, very good interview. You stand apart. God bless you. Which date is your interview?
Sir, it is on 28th. That is on Monday. Today is Thursday, and I will be giving my interview on Monday.
Best wishes. After the interview, kindly send me the list of questions they are asking you. Please be watching the videos I am posting in our this thing. I have given 2 books today for you to read. At least read those 2 books thoroughly, but you seem to be more well versed than what is needed. God bless you. आपका पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं? पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
Yes, sir.
आपका पिताजी?
My father is actually do service in a chartered accountancy firm.
अच्छा. Mother?
So my mother is a housewife.
How many siblings you have?
Sir, actually I have 2 elder sisters and 1 younger brother. And my elder sister is a company secretary, and the other elder sister is actually a chartered accountant itself.
Super. Good family. Super good family. Acha ji, where do you stay in Kolkata?
Sir, actually I stayed in Dum. It is a part of North 24 Parganas.
दमदम तो बहुत डिस्टेंस में होगा. आपका बेलूर मठ कितना दूर होगा?
सर, बेलूर मठ so actually it is at approximately 15 to 20 minutes.
Oh, good. Very good. Next time you visit Belur Math, what is important for Belur Math?
I actually don't have idea about this.
Ramakrishna Math.
Yes, sir, I have heard about it.
Yeah. Next time you visit Belur Math, please think about me also. Good. Best wishes.
So actually you live in Belur Math?
नहीं আমি তো এখন আমি টরন্টোতে আছি, কানাডাতে আছি, लेकिन আমি কলকাতাতে কাজ করলাম, তারপরে শিলিগুড়ি, জলপাইগুড়ি এসব জায়গাতে কাজ করলাম 1970 এখন না। তার জন্য আমি বলনা চাচ্ছি আমি I wanted you to go to Kali Ghat temple. তো খুব ভালো temple.
Yes sir, I have went there. It's very good place.
Yeah. So after getting selected in bank, please visit Kali Ghat.
Yes sir, sure sir.
And pray on my behalf.
Thank you,
also.
sir. I give your blessings only.
Best wishes. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Good interview. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. I'll close this.